Hi, everyone, and welcome to November 14th to 18th week. We have 2 more weeks left of class and online work. So let's not lose the momentum. I know that testing is next week. We have a shorter class, and then the final week we have report cards, but we still have lots of online work and study to do. So I don't want us to think that, it's over. It's not over yet. And like it says here, learn something new every day. We don't want to lose the momentum that we have already established. So what to do this week? Well, the first thing I have is a listening. You will listen to people talking about the election, and there are some questions. Then there is another discussion forum and listening. So if you click on the link here, then it will open and you will see discuss the American election and the impact on Canada. So watch the link below so you can click on the video and listen to the news report about how the election impacted Canada or will impact Canada. And then you can answer these two questions. What are two ways Canada will be affected? And how do you feel personally about the election result? Answer and respond to at least two other student responses. And I will be checking for that this week, making sure that you are answering other students. Remember, your in-class participation online is part of your overall assessment marks for the term. So those marks as well as your test marks are really important. Okay, so we'll go back and the next part is vocabulary. So you'll click on the link and here you'll see vocabulary, emotions, and feelings. This is rather long, but some great new words for talking about emotions and feelings, and they're all used in a sentence, and he gives the definitions of the new words. So I don't expect for you to learn all of these new words, but I'd like you to have at least maybe 10 new words for this week that you can use, you can practice using in sentences and in other situations. So to practice, you're going to click the link for practice. Okay, and then you're going to open to the Google Doc and you're going to practice writing sentences here. These are mine. I'll actually write my name here. Okay, remember you don't need to save in Google Docs. It automatically saves. When you write something, it will automatically save. You don't need to erase anyone's because it'll just automatically, you can move the document up and down and just add anywhere on the document. You can start your sentences right here. Okay, so the next person, for example, just write your name. Let's say Melvin. So Melvin writes his name and then he starts his sentences. So maybe the word is tense. I felt tense after the election. Okay, and I'd like Melvin, to write maybe 3 or 4 sentences using the new words that you learn in the video. Okay, and then the next person just goes from there. So maybe it's going to be Leo. Leo will be next. Okay, so you can write your name at the beginning and then write your sentences. Same as we've done in past weeks. But some of you haven't done this yet. So if you haven't done it, try it out. All right, so that's that. And then we'll go back. All right, how to use definite articles. So this one is a grammar practice activity. So you listen to the video and you can read the examples. And then at the bottom, you'll see the exercises. So here we are, check your grammar, multiple choice, grouping, gap fill. Okay, so you can do these first three. You don't need to go any further than that unless you want to and you have extra time. So try to do these three. But read the examples, okay? It's more lessons on using the definite article. Okay, so that's the grammar practice. And then this link here is getting ready for the speaking test. In the speaking test, there will be a menu, and you're going to have to choose some items from the menu. So watch the video, and there's some vocabulary, and she shows you the structure for how to order things in a restaurant. And finally, listening practice test prep. That's a listening on, visiting a national park. There's some questions. So just do the listening and answer the question, and you can also read the transcript. The SCORM activity this week is taking a message from voicemail messages. It's also getting ready for the test. So there are 5 activities. First activity, you're going to fill in the gaps using the word list here. Next
Hi,
is
Tom.
listening.
It's Sam. I'm just calling to let you know that I'll be at the train station at...
And you'll be answering the questions.
Message 2-3.
Another one where you'll be listening and...
Hi, it's Charles Zhang calling from EnviroServe. This message is for Mary Hill. Mary, I was just calling to talk to you about the Pine Lake...
You'll be filling in the gaps there. Okay, and I think activity 5... Yeah, there's another one, activity 5. So I'd like you to do all of those. I know there's a lot of listening practice this week, but we're trying to get ready for our listening test. All right, so that's the week in full. Enjoy your week, and we'll see you on Saturday. If you have any questions, just email me, or you can post a question in the forum here. Questions, general discussions, or in the class news forum. Okay, thanks everyone, and have a great week.